There are a number of ways that cash flow reporting and cash flow information can be interacted with within Microsoft Dynamics 365, most of which can be done directly from the Roles Center. If we have a look at the Insights section first and come into our Finance Performance dashboards, we can choose a cash flow cycle. This report and information is built using the standard account schedule function within the system, allowing you to customize and tailor the details that go into making it up. Moving back into our Insights section, I can change my view to look at the cash flow dashboard. This will give me an overview of payables and receivables, but will also allow me to drill down into that balance sheet information that's already held in the system that tells me what makes up those totals and what transactions are having an impact on cash flow right now. As well as being able to report on cash flow graphically or with detailed information, I can also pin accounts to my homepage so I can see the immediate position of certain GL codes, be that my bank account or even aged receivables. Surfacing the power of the Microsoft machine learning through the Azure platform, I'm able to actually predict and interact with that cash flow. I can have a look at data over particular transactional periods, but also have a look at transactions that have not yet had a financial impact on my balance sheet. I can even edit and add payments and receipts that haven't yet been made to predict what that cash flow forecast really should look like, allowing me to make much smarter decisions about the business. To enter these manual transactions, I simply select the type, in this case revenue, and enter the value, and also expenses. And it could be that I'm using this as a measure to see if we can, as a business, can afford to be paying £2,000 weekly on a standing order. I pop the entry in and recalculate the cash flow forecast so that I can understand the impact that that's going to have on the business. As the recalculation process goes through, that's not only going to take into account my manual entries that I've just put in, but any new transactions that have happened in the data and any change in status on transactions that already existed. With the inbuilt links into Power BI reporting, it would also be possible to draw on data externally and build a dashboard report that could be surfaced within Business Central to provide even further insight. And if I need to go back and review any of those, I also have a cash management menu where I could update my manual entries or run any of those reports straight from the menu.